Om Shanti. Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make another video on Himalayan Yogin breathing series. Today I am going to make video on Nadi Shodhana with Kumbhak. Nadi Shodhana with Kumbhak with Moolman means alternate breathing plus retention plus root lock. So it's a very effective and beautiful combination who are working on their Kundalini energies and on their chakra energy point energies and on their power of their brain memory. Because in this you will get everything in the center line of your center energy in Sushumna. So this exercise, I invite myself, done practice on this, and it's very effective. Who are working on semen retention also, it will give very powerful effect if you're doing some celibate sadhanas practices, spiritual practices. So it will give you power for semen retention also. The alternate breathing plus retention, in this we will do internal retention. We can do both external retention and internal, but I am just teaching you right now internal retention. When you inhale, then you do retention. That is, but I will make video later on the bahya external retention. When you exhale, then you do retention. I will make video on that. So today we are focusing on Nadi Shodhana, because Nadi Shodhana individually are very powerful, because with the Nadi Shodhana, with the alternate breathing, alternate nostril breathings, it balances your body temperature, cold and heat. It balances automatically. This is the automatic system of your body, your nostrils, your heartbeat, your breath. These are the automatic system. So it creates balance in your energies, hot and cold. It gives very beautiful effects in your brain and mental disease. It heals your mental and any physical disease you can heal if you practice long, 1 hour, 30 minutes every day. You can heal only with the Nadi Shodhana. And if you do retention, so it will give you boost, very powerful boost. And if you add the Moolbandh, the root lock, it will give you instant awakening. You will feel the powerful energy awakening in your Kundalini, in your serpent, that is middle of your, that is on the perineum point, the anus, and between your anus and your vagina hole and the penis, in that the part that is perineum point. There is a Kundalini serpent. So I'm just giving you information in this video. You can practice, but this is for the advanced practice of breathings. So don't do if you, because it needs power, concentration and focus for advanced practitioners. So I'm going to teach you now how to do. So in the Nadi Shodhana, in the alternate nostril breathing, you have to check which one is working perfectly. If your right one is working perfect, so you have to start with the right. If your left is working, you have to start with the left. Before starting this, you have to do Kapalbhati and Bhastrika a little bit, 50-100 times both each. To cleansing, that is cleansing process. You have to do that. That is Bhastrika. In Kapalbhati, you will do when you squeeze your stomach with the exhalation. Like that. So you have to do this 100 each. Then you can start this exercise. You have to you do this Vishnu Mudra and inhale. Now you have to do Kumbhak. When you do Kumbhak, you have to do root lock. Root lock means when you squeeze your anus up like this. Up. When you squeeze your anus area, your anal point. Like this. You squeeze it up with the kumbhak. So Inhale very slowly, deep inhaling you have to do. Then Kumbhak. When you do Kumbhak, instant do root lock with them. And when you're releasing, when you're going to exhale, close your right nostril. And now exhale from the other side. First, you have to release your root lock. Then you need to release your Kumbhak and exhale. Inhale from the right. If you are inhaling from the right, you have to exhale from the left. And if you are exhaling from the left, you have to inhaling from the left, exhaling from the right. So these are alternate breathing with the Kumbhaka, with the Purva, with the root lock and retention. Very, very powerful combination. I'm telling you, if you do this practice 10 minutes every day minimum, you can do 15 minutes if you are advanced practitioner of breathing. If you're learning breath work, someone, so you can practice 30 minutes also. It will give you very, very powerful effects in your body, in your mind, in your nervous system, in your brain. Very, because when we do Kumbhaka, so it transfers lots of oxygen in our body to our brain. And when you do root block, you pushing your energies up in the center line in the Sushumna. So it will give you instant effect, the multiple effects, very powerful effect and energy you will feel. Just experience and do this. Very beautiful combination I created, and you can enjoy. You will feel very powerful. If you are a yogi, and if you become a celibate, if you're learning the rhythm meditation, if you suffering from pre-ejaculation disease, so it will help you to cure that. It will help you to cure your stomach issue. It will help you to cure your constipation. It will help you to fix your imbalanced energy in the lower three chakras, your root, sacral, and solar plexus. And it will help you to give you boost to your memory. So do this and enjoy this. Because I always try to create something and invent something new with the combination. Because the world is modern nowadays, very fast. They don't have time to do individual exercises. So that's why I'm trying to create in combinations of very powerful exercises together. First, I do myself practically. When I get results, then I share my knowledge, information, and practices with you. And I make this the informational videos. Please, I always recommend it. Don't do breath work alone. Always do under the guidance. Learn first, then you can do yourself. There is no problem because this is very powerful and dangerous. So this pranic energy, the life force. If it's stuck somewhere, people can die and people feel some disease also. So do it under the supervision and enjoy my method and combination that I created for the humanity, for you. And keep sharing my video with others if you really like it. If you really feel this information help others, you can share and you can subscribe my channel and enjoy your life with the bliss, with the happiness and the humanity. Oh.